In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number format in Google Ads account. If your reports show commas and decimals in a way that feels unfamiliar, adjusting the number format will make your data easier to read and reduce mistakes when interpreting performance. This change only affects how numbers are displayed in your interface. It doesn't alter your actual metrics. Start by going to your Google Ads account and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're in, look for the admin area. Depending on your layout, you may see admin in the top navigation or in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it right away, expand the main menu or check that you're in the full version of the interface. Inside admin, open Preferences. Preferences control account-wide display choices, including how language and numbers appear across your campaigns, reports, and charts. In Preferences, find the section labeled Display Language and Number Format. This is where you can manage both the interface language and how numbers are formatted. Click on the language selector first. You'll notice that the number format option is currently grayed out. That's expected. By default, the number format is locked to the selected language. To unlock the number format field, temporarily choose a different language from the list. You don't have to keep this language. This step simply activates the number format control so you can customize it. Once you select a different language, you'll see the number format option become active. Now choose the number format you prefer. For example, you might pick a format that uses a comma as the thousands separator and a period for decimals, like £1,234.56, or the alternative that uses a period for thousands and a comma for decimals, like £1.234.56. Pick the style that matches your regional conventions or your team's reporting standards. Remember, this affects how values display on screen and in downloadable reports, but it won't change the underlying data or currency. Before saving, double-check that both the language and number format fields reflect what you want going forward. If you change the language only to unlock the format, you can set the language you actually want now and keep the chosen number format. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your account will apply the updates and you should see the new formatting across your views. If changes don't appear immediately, refresh the page. If you don't have access to these settings, you may need appropriate permissions from your account administrator. That's it. Your Google Ads number format is now customized for clearer, more confident reporting.